Hey everyone, we are in the middle of a pandemic, so just like the rest of the world, we're trying to avoid going out. The salon is one of the places where we're definitely avoiding, so we want to learn to cut hair at home. We got this grooming kit off of Amazon. It is the Philips Norelco MG5750. Check out the link below and over here. There's going to be more specs and a little bit more description on what the pieces look like. But we wanted to give you guys an idea of what the pieces feel like after you buy it, so you have an idea of what you're going to get. So this is the box that it comes in. It's just a simple plastic box. You open it up, and all the pieces are here. Of course, this is the clipper itself. It does not come charged, so you'll need to charge it for a good hour or so before you use it the first time. And this is a very rubbery grip, which is good because this thing will actually vibrate, of course, in your hand as you're using it. So you want to make sure you get a good grip on it. It comes with a blade attached and also with another blade that's slightly wider. So that's also useful. And then it comes with a smaller blade that's much less, I'm assuming, for grooming the corners of your beard. Probably trimming sideburns too. And this is a nose hair trimmer, nose and ear hair trimmer. And of course it comes with all of these different guards for the blade depending on how short you want to cut your hair to the scalp. So there's, let's see, there's several different lengths. It's not just these three because in the package it also comes with a nice carrying bag along with all the other guards. So as you can see, there's many different lengths. This is a very versatile grooming kit, and again, for around 40 bucks, this is a great deal. Check out all the lengths that you can trim your hair with. So there's a lot of different choices as to what you want your hair to look like. This is, of course, the power cord for the clippers, and of course the carrying case. Let's see. Oh, there's even two more. There's two more guards in here. So many different lengths, and also, of course, a brush to keep the blades clean. You can also register your product on the Philips website, so that way if there's a problem with it, they can contact you quickly. And then it comes with a very handy reference sheet for all the pieces and how they function, and some tips for using. So this is also very useful. So again, check out our links, check out the description on Amazon and see if it's something you want to do. I've never cut hair before, so we'll see what the results are.